Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. opencv, Open Source Computer Vision, is a powerful open source library for computer vision and image processing. It provides a wide range of tools and functionalities that make it a go-to library for tasks such as image and video analysis, object detection, facial recognition, and more. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of using opencv with Python, along with code examples to help you get started. Before you begin, you need to install opencv. You can install it using pip. To use opencv in your Python code, you need to import the cv2 module. Let's start by loading and displaying an image using opencv. You can convert an image to grayscale using the following code. opencv allows you to draw various shapes and text on an image. Here's an example. You can perform various operations on images, such as resizing, rotating, and cropping. opencv also supports video processing. Here's a simple example of capturing video from a webcam. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to working with opencv in Python. As you delve deeper into computer vision, you can explore more advanced features such as image filtering, feature detection, and machine learning integration with opencv. The official opencv documentation is a valuable resource for further exploration. ChatGPT.